Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am in North River Ranch again. Now, if you've been following along, you've seen me in here before. I really like this community. I love what's going on in Parrish. I think it is a booming area and what is to be an absolute booming city. And North River Ranch is one of the best developed communities in Parrish. Now, I just did a whole video explaining everything about why this community is great, why I think it's great, why I think it's going to be a good investment as well. So if you want to check that out, I'm going to put a link in the description. Go check out that video. Make sure you understand about the community. This video, though, I wanted to focus on this home behind me because we showed it a little bit, but I wanted you to see more of it if you had more questions. This is the Coral Grand by Pulte Homes. I love what's going on in here. I'm seeing a little bit of mood come into the kitchen. Let me know what you think about that. Seeing the builders start to go away from a lot of the white cabinets, white countertops, and start to add some color. Let me know your thoughts. Hey, I'm going to take you through this home. If you haven't met me before, my name is Schiller. I'm your Tampa relocation guide. I'm here to answer your questions. If you're looking to move to the area, looking for the best communities, the best homes, I can be a resource for you. Let's go see this one. All right, some details that you're going to want to know about the Coral Grand. This is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2-car garage, and just under 3,000 square foot home. It's a 40-foot wide product built on a 50-foot wide lot, and it just really feels spacious. Your main living area, the living room, you have the dining room just off the side. It's almost like 2 separate rooms that are all joined. And then you've got the massive bonus room upstairs. I feel like your space is used very wisely in this house, maximizing the usable space, but still giving you that luxury feel. So let me know what you think about this one, and we'll talk to you at the end. You've seen the Coral Grand. What do you think about it? You like the mood coming into the countertops? Cabinets are still white. It's just a little bit of a taste of the, I think the trends are changing a little bit, but hey, one thing I didn't mention is you do get a tile roof as well as a pavered driveway when you build in this section of North River Ranch, specifically in Wildleaf. That adds kind of more, what would I call, sophistication to your house. The pavered driveways look really nice, the tile roofs look really nice, but also longevity. Tile roofs are rated for 30 to 40 years versus a shingle roof, which is usually only lasting about 20 years in Florida. So if you're gonna be in your house for a while, tile roof is a great thing. Also, another point I wanted to make is this is a 2-story home. If you're looking for value, more space for the same amount of dollars, 2-story is the way to go. The Coral Grand gives you that. It's way cheaper to add space above than try and have all that space on a single floor. So I like the space up here. You get a nice big bonus room. You have a ton of space downstairs with your master downstairs, so you still get the ease of access. Hey, if you like this house, let me know. Let me know in the comments. And if you're looking for something like this, feel free to reach out to me. I'm your Tampa relocation guide, looking to support you. If you're looking to move to the Tampa Bay or surrounding area, let me be a resource. That's what I'm here for. We'll talk soon. We'll see you in the next video.